Hi. I already did the intro in the video, so we're not going to do that right now, but I just want to let you know, sorry there's no audio in this. I obviously forgot to turn my mic on when I was recording. Dude, I really don't like how that's glaring. You can actually see that I'm about to play Call of Duty right now. Look at my eyeball. Anyway, I forgot to turn my mic on through my recording software, so that's why there's no audio during the mission from me, but you can hear Cheweezy's audio. Thanks for watching, though. Alrighty, so what is going on, guys? It is Ophidio bringing you some GTA today, and well, I had this really cool part where I was being chased by this dude and I was talking, but I forgot to turn my mic on because I'm a dumbass. I'm still going to try to put that clip in here, some of my dodges. I might even go try to play with him again. But anyway, last night I recorded some stuff, recorded the Titan of the job. First we had 3 people, but we failed the mission because this other kid doesn't know how to fly a freaking plane. No offense to you or anything, bro, but you don't know how to fly. Crashed the Titan at the very end of the mission. We did the Titan of the job. He crashed it. Like, he just can't fly. Anyway, we got a new friend on playing with us now, and playing GTA with us. Trying to show him the ropes of the game, show him how it's done, get him some RP, get him some money, get him started, get him going, you know. And yeah, but anyway. Hope you guys enjoy this, and please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, and peace out. And we will return at the end because we're going to steal a jet.
He just got out real quick. He probably heard me say what time it was, freaked out. He got school in the morning. How'd you get over that wall? I got it, I'm over it. Friday. I got my pistol. I bought bullets just a second ago. It's pretty good so far. Just need some money and whatnot. We had it too. It was a done deal. Yeah. Make it count. Alright, what do you want me to do? Tell me when to stop. To your left. Damn height. How in the hell are you pushing the car? He's shooting me. I'm about to die.
More ammo! Come on! You get your hands down! Fucking pussy! Hell no!
Ah! I was trying to get in. I don't know. He was right to the left. If you're looking at the tractor trailer, he was on the right of it. Right there. Can you see him? There you go. How many's left? Well, I think you did. Where's he at? I hear him shooting.
You're going down!
Yeah, I would like to do that, but this work crap kind of gets in the way of it. Yeah, it's that mission passed, so maybe it'll give me $6,200.
Alright guys, we're back. We're gonna steal this jet. There's the military base right there. Let's knock out these things. I hate these things. Let's just knock them out. I know the way I go to the military base isn't the way that most people go, but it's the way I go. It's the way I find easiest for me. I usually find success going this way. Oh man, dude, what the? That guy needs to learn how to drive. What's he doing? Just, dude, look at this guy. What is he doing? What is he doing? Anyway, we're gonna steal this jet. This could be a pass or fail, but we're gonna start doing this at the end of every GTA video we do. We are going to steal a jet and try to wreak havoc on the world. Is that the... I really hope that wasn't the guy that was firing at me earlier. I got this really awesome clip I told you guys earlier. I'm gonna still put it in the video somehow. I'm gonna find some way to put it in the video. It was funny. I had a lot of fun just teasing that guy. But anyway, we're gonna get the jet. He had a bounty on him, so we're gonna get this jet and we're gonna try to go after him. If we get the jet. If we don't get the jet, then that's said and done. Okay, so there's a tank. Gotta plan this out strategically. Okay, tank. No tank. Oh, we got tank. Where'd that other tank go? Gotta wait for this tank to go. There's another one. It just came out of nowhere. Did anybody see that? That tank literally just showed up out of nowhere. Alright. Full speed ahead. Oh my god, are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? How do I get out of this? Okay. Okay. Alright, this... Dude, we gotta get... We have got to get the fudge up out of here. Like, dude. That was a fail with the tank. It was a major fail with the tank. Oh, God. You know what? Screw it.
You're gonna have to do it out for now.
Oh
I can't get over
God.
there.
I'm right next to a freaking road. Anyway. So the stealing the jet was a fail. Tanks blew us up. I really gotta start trying to steal these jets at night. It's easier to steal a jet at night than it is during the day. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I need to put my skull mask back on. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out.